Today we are making pancit bihon canton, a super tasty dish that we're going to whip up together. For this recipe, grab some bihon and canton noodles, some pork strips, Chinese sausage, wood ear mushrooms, onions, garlic, cabbage, pechay, oyster sauce, and a bit of salt and pepper. I started by soaking the noodles in hot water so they're partly cooked. When I mix them in with everything else, stick with me and catch every step of this fun cooking process. If you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure to share, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.